What's up, guys? This is my last tutorial on Ranger rolling, and today I'll show you how to roll your towels, and I'll demonstrate that on this bright yellow washcloth, since it's a lot easier to see and to fit in the frame than a full-size brown army towel. So first thing first, have one of the shorter sides of the towel facing you, and then go ahead and fold that side about 1/7 to 1/8 of the actual length of your towel. Go ahead and fold that portion under. After that, go ahead and break the towel into 3 equal sections and then tri-fold it over the center. After that, rotate the original fold away from you and start rolling. Keep it tight as you roll it. And when you're done, slide your fingers into that pocket and then wrap that little side fold around the roll to finish it up. At this point, your Ranger roll is complete. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like and comment below, and check out my channel for more. Thank you for watching.